Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B. Now, in a couple of weeks there's an event that I watch every year but do not quite clearly understand very well. And that is Super Bowl, and this year it's Super Bowl 2018. Now, what makes Super Bowl 2018 sort of a little bit more interesting to me is the fact that the Tennessee Titans are in the playoffs, but could maybe just in the Super Bowl. Now that for me is very exciting. The reason being is that I used to live in Nashville and was one and the only American football game that I've ever been to. Now, whilst I was there, I didn't clearly quite understand what was going on, but I did enjoy the event. I enjoyed everything that happened before. In fact, there was the whole sort of tailgating thing, which I never knew existed, which is a whole big thing where people get their trucks and they pull the thing down and they have food and barbecues and beer, and it's a whole big thing. Tailgating in the UK is somewhat different. That's when somebody is driving up your rear end and driving too close to you when you're driving along. So when somebody said we're going to see some tailgating, I was somewhat confused when somebody handed me a burger. Anyway, so on the 4th of Feb 2018, we're going to see the Super Bowl, and it's the halftime show is got Justin Ready Bake, as I call him, Justin Timberlake in it. And what I want to know is I need some advice here. Because we have tech, we have the availability to find out information really very quickly indeed. And what I want to know is if there is a way in which I can watch and enjoy the Super Bowl. And when it's on in the US, it's sort of very late at night here, it doesn't finish till about 3 in the morning, in the UK. What I want to know is there a app, is there some kind of service I could use that when I'm watching it, I can sort of get my computer or I can get my phone and I can understand what's going on, where it's sort of idiot-proof and explains in simple terms what I need to know and what's likely to happen, what is happening, and sort of educates me a little bit. Because right now when I watch it, I kind of understand it a little bit, but I don't understand a lot of it really. So what I want to know is, and I know I have a lot of American viewers out there, and I'm sure a lot of you watch the Super Bowl or are big American football fans. I want to know is there a service, is there an app, is there something that I can use at the same time as watching the Super Bowl that will help me understand it and get the best from it? Let me know in the comments below. It would really help out. I know this is kind of not a completely tech related sort of video, but it's kind of more of a personal thing. But I'm asking for your help. And let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've not visited the website bitsbytesbobs.com, make sure you do. We've just upgraded the server to a dedicated one, so we're super fast now, and we've got a whole new design. So please check that out and let me know your thoughts on what the best thing to do for me for Super Bowl 2018. Go Titans! Ooh.
3